Verifying your XTB account is essential for complying with regulatory requirements and accessing full trading privileges. Here's how to do it. Log into your account. Sign into your XTB account using your credentials. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the dashboard or profile menu. Find Verification section. Look for the Verification section within your account settings. It may be labeled as Verify Account or Verification Process. Submit required documents. Follow the instructions to upload the necessary documents for verification. This usually includes a government-issued ID and proof of address. Wait for approval. After submitting your documents, wait for XTB to review and approve your verification. This process may take a few business days. Check verification status. Monitor your account or email notifications for updates on the verification status. XTB may request additional information if needed. Access full trading features. Once your account is verified, you will gain access to all trading features and services offered by XTB, including the ability to deposit and withdraw funds and trade various financial instruments.